We're a rescue team, not assassins. Now, what do we gotta do?
That cabinet minister is very important to our scope of operations in this part of the world.
Dutch, the general's saying that a couple of our friends are about to get squeezed, and we can't let that happen. We need the best. That's why you're here.
Go on.
Simple setup. One-day operation. We pick up their trail at the chopper, run them down, grab those hostages, and bounce back across the border before anybody knows we were there.
What do you mean, we?
I'm going in with you, Dutch.
General, my team always works alone. You know that.
I'm afraid we all have our orders, Major. Once you reach your objective, Dillon will evaluate the situation and take charge.
Gonna tell Aunt Mary about Uncle John. He claimed he has some music, but he having a lot of fun, oh baby. Yes, baby. Woo, baby. Having some fun tonight. Yeah. Well, long tall Sally, she's a big fishy guy.
You okay?
Everything that Uncle John need, oh baby. Yes, baby. Woo, baby. Having some fun tonight. Yeah, well, I saw Uncle John with forehead salad. He saw Aunt Mary coming and he ducked back in the alley, oh, baby. Yeah, baby. Ooh, baby. Having some fun tonight. Yeah.
Rendezvous points and radio freaks are indicated and fixed. AWACS contact on 4-hour intervals.
Who's our backup?
No such thing, old buddy. This is a one-way ticket. Once we cross that border, we're on our own.
This is getting better by the minute.
Bill Speechy got everything that Uncle John need, oh baby. Yeah, baby. Ooh, baby. Having me some fun tonight. Yeah. Well, a song called Sally, she's Bill Speechy got everything that Uncle John need, oh baby.
The other day, I went up to my girlfriend. I said, you know, I'd like a little pussy. She said, me too. Mine's as big as a house.
Yeah. Well,
You see, she wanted a littler one because hers was
he saw Aunt Mary coming and he ducked back in the alley.
big as a house.
Yeah, baby. Ooh, baby.